Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today I'm going to be showing you how to order an Uber. So if you've never used Uber before, this will show you everything you need to know about using the Uber app, and I'm also going to go through some of the features that Uber has on their app. Before we get started, if you want to check out this awesome app called Solo, we have a link down below in the description, and they will actually give you guaranteed pay if you are a driver or a gig worker. So be sure to check that out. Basically, they'll give you an estimate of your pay, and if you don't meet that estimate, they will pay you the difference. They also have a ton of other awesome features for rideshare and drivers and gig workers. So be sure to check that out. If you sign up with the link in the description and link your gig account, you will be sent $15. So that sounds like a pretty good deal to me. Anyways, let's get started with the video. So if you go onto the Uber app, it has all these different things like right away on the home screen. But this is where you're gonna order your ride. So you can see that they have like the ride. You can just type in the address you wanna go to. You can adjust the address that you're setting it at. That's how you order your ride. Also, it lets you order through Uber Eats right on the Uber app. With food, you can also order groceries. There's a lot of different options like Costco, Walmart, whatever like grocery stores or pharmacies are in your area. And you can even check transit. So they just added this pretty recently, but if you want to take public transportation, it'll show you different ways, how much it'll cost, how far away everything is. So that's really nice. You can also reserve a time you want to be picked up, and you can send packages to people if it's like a drive away. Then it'll also let you schedule a ride to the airport and let you stay organized if you're traveling. So if you go to your activity, it'll show you your last, like when you ordered your other Ubers that you ordered, also Uber Eats. And then over here on your account page, it'll show you like stuff like your rewards. You can change your profile settings. The rewards are pretty cool. They're actually getting rid of them soon, but you can get discounts. And however much money you spend translates into points that you can use for the rewards. And there's like messages. You can send gifts to people if you want to send a gift card for Uber to someone that you know, or Uber Eats. And it'll show you Uber Eats promotions that are currently happening. If you want to be an Uber driver, you can apply to become an Uber driver right in the Uber app. So for some reason, mine is in Arabic, probably because I downloaded the app while I was in Egypt because I used to live there. But yeah, I mean, I'm sure yours will be in whatever language you have your Uber set to. But yeah, so anyways, if you want to order the Uber, you can go to the home page and you can either press ride or press where to, and that's where you're going to put in your address of where you want to be picked up, put in the address of where you want to be dropped off. It'll give you all the prices. So there's UberX, which is the standard one. This is the cheapest one. It fits 4 passengers. There's Uber Comfort, which is usually just a car that's a little bit more comfortable, like, like more leg room. Then there's Uber XL. They usually come in like a big SUV or a van, and that's if you have a lot of people or you have a lot of luggage. They recently added Uber Green, and this is for electric vehicles. So if you order an Uber Green, there's a pretty big chance you'll get picked up in a Tesla, which is really